Hi friends, my name is Michael and I am one of the young preschool teachers at your school. This week is a really special week called Unity Week. This is a time where we celebrate being together and being a community. Everyone celebrates Unity Week. Other kids, teachers, big kids, security guards, everyone, including you. At our school, everyone is welcome. We celebrate the things that make us different and similar. And I have a really special book to share with you to make you feel welcome and to start Unity Week off. It's called All Are Welcome by Alexandra Penfold, illustrated by Suzanne Kaufman. All are welcome. Pencils sharpened in their case. Bells are ringing, let's make haste. School's beginning, dreams to chase. All are welcome.
No matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play.
Or if you come from far away, all are welcome here.
In our classroom safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found.
Raise your hand, we'll go around. All are welcome here.
Gather now, let's all take part. We'll make music, we'll make art.
We will share stories from the heart. All are welcome here.
Time for lunch. What a spread. A dozen different kinds of bread.
Okay. Pass it around till everyone's fed. All are welcome here.
Open doors, rush outside. We will swing, we will slide.
We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here.
We are part of a community. Our strength is our diversity.
A shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. We will learn from each other. Special talents will uncover.
There's a big world to discover. All are welcome here.
So much to learn, so much to do, and when the busy day is through,
Can't wait to come back. Start anew. All are welcome here.
Perfect.
Head for home and get some rest. And greet tomorrow, ready and fresh.
Our time together is the best.
all are welcome here.
You have a place here. You have a space here. I don't know if my arms are long enough. You are welcome here.